Hey guys, so today I'm playing Anthony, first day, and it's tough, guys. Really tough. White sheet. I don't know if you can see that. You have a white sheet, we need a drawing with measurements from here to here. How many feet? Do your little arrows. How many feet? How many feet this way? What's the pitch? How many layers? How many feet of the hip and ridge? Need a picture of the actual drip edge, what it looks like. Pitch, okay, I said that. 812, 412, etc. Any special notes, any special pictures about what's going on in, I sound tired because I spent 6 hours probably during the night trying to get the guys going on the roof for this morning for 2 roofs. Then we had the other 2 on books already. Because there was information missing. So we need this information to make this thing work. Numbers, everything that we do needs to be on this white sheet here. This is going to go here. Customer name, price, everything that would be a recipe for a successful roof. Remember, we have not been to this roof. We have not seen it. I don't know where to put the trailer there. I need to let the driver know. Is there anything special going on? Pipe boots, I need pictures. Driving by a house, taking pictures from the street or just walking around is not good enough. We need you guys to get on the roof if it's safe enough. I need pictures of the chimney. I need pipe boots. I need electrical places. I need the vents. I need information about the Omni. Just the Omni, whether yes or no or is not good enough. We need to know how many feet, where does it go, all of those details. And the great thing about it is if you're asking all these questions to the customer when you first visit them, you're spending a little more time, and chances are you're more likely to get the roof because the customer is like, okay, well, this guy's really into my roof. He's getting all these details, and it's almost as if you're already building the roof when you're doing it. And if you can't do that, then, if you just need to do minimal, then do minimal. But when it comes down to actual price, make sure your measurements are correct. And then your layers and all that is correct. And then when you go pick up your first payment for your deposit, then go back and spend next 20, 30 minutes and actually get these details. Because when we're trying to put this roof on, we don't have these details. It makes it super, super challenging. It makes it tough. So it makes it really difficult to install a roof that you haven't seen and you have a half-filled white sheet that doesn't have all vital information. So overall, you guys are doing great, but let's just button up those little details because that's really hurting us. So take care, guys. If you have particular questions, call me, text me, throw a rock, whatever you need to do. I'm here to help. Take care, guys.